My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video review. Hi. The company that we're sharing with you today, if you're interested in learning how you can work remotely from home and get paid over $60,000 a year, the company that we're going to share with you today is called GitLab. Now, I hope every single one of you stays to the end of this video because this is such an interesting and awesome company to work for. And if you do have any of the skills that they're looking for, I think this company would be fabulous to work for. So we're going to share and talk with you today about a company that you can work remotely from your home. Anywhere in the world they hire people, and it's called GitLab. Now this right here is their corporate website, and I strongly suggest for you to come visit their corporate website to get a more in-depth understanding about the company. But we're going to share with you some valuable information, and I hope you last and watch this video to the end. Now if you're interested in looking at any of their jobs after we go over them today for you, you just scroll down to the bottom of their page here and come here, and you're going to see the job link. You click this link right here and it will take you and let you see the different positions that they have open. Now I'd like to share with you a little bit about GitLab. GitLab was founded in 2014. It is a United States based company and their corporate offices is in San Francisco. And what GitLab does is they develop softwares for companies, and they have a prototype that they use, and people plug in and buy subscriptions to their prototype. GitLab is a software development lifecycle program, and it's used by over 100,000 organizations worldwide. When you come and visit their site here, they can tell you more about their prototype. It's used by more than 100,000 organizations. They have over 3,000 plus code contributors that works within their community worldwide. And these will be the positions that you will be if you're qualified for, that you would be applying for. They do work remotely, and they're in over 68 different countries. Now, if after you review this site, if you have any other questions, you can click this button right here, and they'll take you to a site where you can get more questions and be able to talk to them via web chat. Now, for the techie people out there that really understand this, they're looking for software people that have degrees or skills in being a software engineer, a developer, a coder, things of that nature, a software engineer. So what I'm going to do is play a short video here so you can get a more in-depth understanding about GitLab, know what their product is all about, see other people that work for GitLab, and understand a little bit more about their culture within this company.
And why are we here?
We are in sunny Crete in Greece.
And we're here for the annual GitLab Summit
with about 250 people.
It is an amazing experience to bring the whole team together.
It's a time for us to bond and get to know each other on a personal level.
This is a very good occasion to meet in person a lot of people and to create a sort of personal relationship.
I love meeting all the people, and the new people who have joined GitLab, to welcome them in and talk to them and see what drew them to GitLab.
How would you describe GitLab in 5 words?
5 words to describe GitLab.
5 words. I don't know if I could do that.
GitLab is transparent, unique,
cutting edge,
liberating.
GitLab is one of these things that can be hard to describe because people want to put us into one box.
It's not your traditional company.
GitLab is software to build software.
We help developers develop software faster, but even then that box is too small.
We're making something that's used by millions of people, that people are very passionate about, with a team of hundreds of people around the world. I think that's amazing. first thing that drew me to GitLab was the open source side of the project.
Going through the handbook, going through the open issues that would be private in any other company, but they were open, and I understood more about the company before I even started working at GitLab.
I've never worked at a company that's so direct and transparent. I definitely think it allows us to get more done quickly.
If you have an idea, it'll be heard and people will listen.
I've never worked in a company that had such a wide range of skill sets when it comes to the different departments, when it comes to different cultures and ways to view things.
Not only are we working on a cutting-edge product, we are also kind of defining how to work remotely and do it really well.
The thing about remote work is you're truly flexible. So you can live a normal life and work just becomes part of that life. You're not living to work anymore.
I do my job from home and I talk to people virtually. I get to spend more time with my family.
I can go to the doctor, I can get a haircut.
I get to take my kids to school, pick them up from school.
I have the power over my day to do what I need to do.
The most challenging thing working for GitLab is probably working for GitLab itself.
At the same time, it's the fun part of it because I get to fix a lot of things.
It forces you to also get out of your comfort zone and go do different things and new things.
In my role as a support engineer, I see things that are new to me on a daily basis, but with that challenge, I think comes a lot of growth and a lot of excitement.
You know, most companies have values and so does GitLab, but GitLab actually practices them. It really takes care of you as an employee and you feel valued and respected.
It is so insanely unique.
It's something that I've never seen anywhere else.
It's unlike any other workplace. I think this is the future of work lifestyle.
GitLab is my amazing workplace.
Now this right here showed you a little bit about what GitLab is all about. So you see it is a rock solid, legit company. And if you have, again, any of these skills, software skills, development skills, software engineer skills, I mean, this company is just so awesome to work for. So what I'd like to share with you is a little bit about there's some of the perks and benefits that you will be making once you're employed with this company. Some of the things that they have, and this varies from country to country, but they have a fully remote and flexible work. You can work anywhere around the world. You have an unlimited no-ass time off. You have paid time off at that. You have parental leave. You have reimbursement for supplies. You have tuition reimbursement, attendance contributions, incentive and referral bonuses. It's just awesome. And then for different people that works, like in the Netherlands, Belgium, they have a custom packet that meets their needs in their companies. So they have people that works from the Netherlands, Belgium, India, the United States, China, the United Kingdom, Germany. As you remember, they're in over 68 different countries. Here's on this site right here, you'll get a lot of feedback from different people that work for the company and what they have to say about the company. They say here they have an excellent health and dental and 401 plan. So their benefits are comparable to what a brick and mortar company, a high-end brick and mortar company is, but you'll be working remotely from this company. So let's talk a little bit now about the salaries that GitLab offers. And this again is a picture of some of the contractors that work from around the world at one of their gatherings that they had. And some of the pay ranges that they have, we like to share with you. And these right here are all United States based salaries, but you know they do work worldwide. A sales development representative, they'll make anywhere on the average of $53,000, but from the low end, $51 to $60K. A senior front end engineer, their average salary goes from $76,000 all the way up to $131,000. A candidate experience specialist, their fee is anywhere from $53,000 to $62,000 per year. They say that you are paid fairly, and it's in competition with comparable to what other titles make at this pay level. A sales manager with their company makes anywhere from $167,000 to $184,000. A senior back-end engineer is $138,000 to $178,000. A front-end engineer starts off at $70,000 to about $81,000 as you advance up. So what you can do is come to this page right here. I will leave this link so you can look at the different positions that are available. They have a community advocate, and they're $29,000 to $31,000. So not all of their jobs have to be techie jobs, but a lot of the jobs are the engineer and software developers. But I will leave this link in the description below so you can look more in depth about the type of income that you can be making at the GitLab companies. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that you have found some value, because I think this company is so awesome. It is really people that will have these type of skills. I mean, it's so many interesting positions that you can work remotely from home. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that you got some value from this review on GitLab. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and remember to subscribe to my channel, because I do release a video every day. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my comments. And if you are interested in learning my #1 recommendation for making money online, I will leave a link for that in the description below, so feel free to take a look. Well, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, again, please subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review.